Hello, 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 hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. FedEx delivery guy just dropped these packages. They're from iplikoutlet. Yay! So let's dig in. What's inside? It's been over 2 months, I believe. Okay, I'm just looking at them. So it says here, oh, it doesn't say the weight. Oh, 17 kilogram. Here it is. So this one is 17 kilogram. Okay, let me haul these in first. So the other one must be 17 kilogram as well. It says here 33 kilogram. So this must be 17 kilogram. And the remaining here. And I know that 8 kilogram is the handmade antique items I purchased. Okay, so I'm just going to open from here somewhere because I don't have a clue. This is 2 weeks of auction yarn sale that I have attended to. And plus, in the previous, I have purchased from this lady. I don't know if you guys remember. The items arrived, the package arrived from DHL open. And one piece was missing. So I put a complaint to DHL. And meanwhile, I was buying from her. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Anyways, so this was in July. She hasn't shipped the items because she was waiting, I guess, for a reply from DHL. And what happened was she forgot to put the curtain that I paid for. Yeah, so she went and canceled the complaint. But the curtain that arrived down, the stains, she said that she said that in the video, which there's no backup to go back and watch it, that there were stains on it. So yeah. Okay, so anyways, 8 kilogram of items I have purchased from her, and mostly are for my son. So I don't know which packet is which one. So I'm just going to let me just open this package and I'll be right back. As you guys can see, I've been buying from iplikoutlet Mr. Chifty and his family for months. The way he packages, can you see how strong these are? They're so sturdy. It's unbelievable. So I asked her to ship it to Mr. Chara, and this is the package. She put it in a garbage bag. See how thin it is? Look, like really, come on, like really, look at this. I can't believe how unprofessional some people are. So I'm happy that this was shipped to iplikoutlet, and then he put this in his packaging, and then he shipped it to me. Çok teşekkür ederim Çağrı Bey. Çok teşekkür ederim. Allah razı olsun. Ne gerizekalı insanlar var ya Rabbim. I just can't believe how unprofessional people are. So this went to this Surat cargo. And then I have no words to say. So I'm gonna block that person right away. This is Mr. Çağrı Bey. She didn't even ask his name. Like, how unprofessional can you be? I just can't understand people. And then this arrived. Okay, I just showed you the rip right. This arrived open. So see how he taped it over? I just can't believe it. I have no words. So I'm going to do the unboxing for this, unopening for this separately, or else it will take me forever because I am so upset with this person. Because I paid a fortune in Turkish lira. If this was shipped to Canada this way, oh my goodness. It's like he taped it over and over and he secured it for me. So, yeah. I'll put this aside. Okay, I'm just gonna grab my list and I'll be right back. Oh, look at these goodies. Can you see them? Oh, it's hard to see because of the light. Look. A I'll be right back. Okay, so there's 2 bags that arrived. I believe these were from the first day. So on October 1st, October 8th, October 9, the yarns that I have purchased from him. Here they are, and they arrived with FedEx. So I'm not going to go over the price because it's really hard to explain, but it cost me it would cost me less than I would order it from United States America, because it's the closest country and I can't find these yarn from there, so on and so forth. Yeah, so here we are, 2 lots of this. I can't remember what it was. So October 1st and October 2nd, these are the 2 days that I purchased 10 items. And October 8th, I purchased 5 items. And October 9th, I have purchased 12 items. Yeah, I went overboard. Yeah, the shipping is, I did pay custom fee for this package, about $50. Yeah, so I paid it before it arrived. Okay, oops, sorry. So there's 2 packages that I'm going to open. And mostly these are for cardigans that I'm going to knit. These are new yarn, Bellissimo. It's new. Well, it's this year it came out. So, here is viscose cotton was it? Bamboo, viscose bamboo, or was it viscose cotton, I believe. Yeah, I usually write it down, but I didn't write it this time. So I bought 2 lot of this. So 2 lot is about 2 pounds. So 1 pound is about 450 grams. And so I bought 2. 2 is times 2, which is, yeah, the camera. Let me just move it this way. The light on top of me. It's bright here because it's pretty dark outside. Well, it's not that dark, but I already did a video and it was pretty gray in the morning, and it's still gray, but it's dark. Yeah. So that yarn over there, I was waiting. I'm going to start a cardigan for that. It's leaves of I don't know, beach of leaves, I would say. I don't know, leaves. It's like a leaf stitch. And I haven't, I don't want to cut the yarn so close. Let me put my finger and then clip it here. Yeah, I already bought this particular yarn, but I bought more because I didn't start anything yet. And you guys know that I usually create plus sizes. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh wow, and it's soft. This is viscose bamboo. Yeah, viscose is bamboo. Okay, let me open that. Oh, then I think I bought the same yarn yesterday, last night. I'm not quite sure. See, I can add this to my mohair, even with this. Think about it. I can add this to this. Oh wow, wouldn't it be gorgeous? 1 strand of this and 1 strand of this. It's endless, endless, endless. So I think I bought 1 lot of this. Let me just double check. Yeah, it looks like I bought 1 lot of that. Oh, and I bought 2 more of this. I already bought this. Oh, oh well. Let me just, this is mohair. See? gorgeous. This is like see how it is? It's like a ladder yarn. It gets so super soft. Gives you the text. Gives the texture. So I can add this to my knitting, and I can add this blue to my knitting. Oh, this is tougher. See, this is way soft. This is way softer than this. This is tough. So I can add this to my knitting, and it will give me a beautiful texture. How I add, let me find the, I'm gonna find the end here. Let's say I add this, and I add this. Maybe I would add another yarn into it, and then yeah, knit something one of a kind. Okay, I'm just looking at, and there's this cone. I think I bought 2 of this, I'm not quite sure. Just looking at my list. See, here's another. You can add, it has that eyelash, but it's curly. Can you see? Yeah. And it's super soft. Okay, I'm not quite sure. These are pretty heavy. I think about 2 lots of this. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, or 1 lot. You know what? I bought 2 kilograms of this. It's not 2 pounds. It's actually 4 pounds. Yeah, about 4 pounds of this. Yeah, very nice. Did you guys catch that? The camera tried to focus. This is the first time this ever happened. Usually I have to focus it, but it focused by itself, so that's a good thing. Okay, let me put this bag aside, and I'm going to open that bag because I have mohair in it, and I have more of this this yarn that I just showed. More of this yarn. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so there are more of this yarn. So I must have bought 2 lots. Yeah, this will last me forever because the yarn is pretty thin. But like I said, I will be adding these to my knitting items. Okay, here are my, this is called popcorn mohair in Turkish. I guess this is what it is. Yeah, can you see? It's ivory. So I will be knitting bridal shrugs with this. I won't be adding anything to these because my classic bridal shrugs are my best sellers on my Etsy shop. I bought 1 lot, I believe. Here's another cake. These cakes are huge, so I will have enough yarn to knit 1 bridal shrug, maybe a medium size. Okay, so look at this. I'm going to be knitting a sweater for myself. Hopefully I will have enough yarn. I saw this beautiful sweater at a store in the mall, and I took a picture. And it's the same color. I just couldn't believe it. I posted on my Instagram, and that night Mr. Chari Çiftçi sold these on the auction that he had. So I'm thrilled, happy. So I hope I have enough because it's about 500 grams of Bellissimo. This is called Bellissimo. These are not sold at Ice Yarn or Yarn Paradise or in Hobium.com, Hobium in Turkey. Here's another Bellissimo, but that one is more, if you look at it, this one has more hair in it, more than this. This is a little bit thin. So I did not pay attention to that, but that's okay. Yeah. So here's, I think I bought again 500 grams, just over a pound. Beautiful. Okay, and these I'm going to be making a blanket. So I'm not quite sure. I bought this color. I bought a green color, and I bought, oh, was it brown? I can't remember. So when I unbox it, you guys will see. These are cotton, and it has it's those sheepy yarns. Same. It's under the Gazelle company who makes these yarn. So I think I bought 4 lot, was it? I'm not quite sure, I forget. Was it 2 lot? So I have a huge cone here, as you can see. I can make something. Yeah, so I'm going to be, I'm not quite sure if I will knit or if I crochet. Okay. And the yarn that I have purchased a couple of months ago, it was 500 gram a pound. So this time, this is a gift. So çok teşekkür ederim Çağrı Bey. This is 1 kilogram, so I'm going to do 2 strands and then crochet myself a cardigan. This is going to be for me, and it's cotton. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, let me shape these here, and then you guys can see them all together. Aren't they gorgeous? Yeah. I really like these mohairs. And they're not itchy, they're soft to the skin, and they do not shed at all. Oops, sorry. Okay, so let me organize, and I will be right back. Oh, wow. So I tried to organize them. This is all came out of 2 bags. Okay, aren't they beautiful? Oh, this one is a little bit taller because of more. Yeah. I hope you liked this part 1 unboxing. I will come back to open this huge one here that is sitting. And I believe there's 3 or 4 bags in there. So that one will be 2 times more that came out of this. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and happy knitting, happy crocheting. And don't forget to watch my playlist. I have tons, over 70 or 80 unboxing at the moment. So yeah, I'll see you on my next unboxing part 2.